Moments, brought to you by Fortune Rice and Fritol.
Hello, Mr. Finally!
Miss
long overdue.
Listen, I don't think anybody is ready. We have been waiting. You guys have been waiting. I have been waiting. I told you guys the first ever YouTuber that I followed when I came to Ghana was Stella Shanelly.
Wow! I'm so excited to be on her channel too.
So yes, you guys know how we love traveling.
Yes.
So we're about to do some amazing traveling today. I can't wait. We're going to do a little bit of a road trip.
Yes, I can't wait.
Yeah,
we are going to a brewery. And I always say that a brewery is my favorite place.
Oh.
And so, being my favorite place and being with you, you are my favorite.
That's it. Hey, that's it. She's coming to vibe me already. But I know that also, Stella, you know that as well as travel, I love food, right?
Yeah.
So you know a brie, so you have to also make sure that you show us some.
Oh, you don't have a problem. What do you want to eat? Banku, fufu. Guys, don't worry. I got you.
She got me. No cook. Stella, finally we are meeting. We're getting to know each other.
You know.
But no, what I want to know is how do you work full time and still at the same time you're able to upload on a regular basis?
So, I make good use of my holidays, my leave days, weekends. Weekends are like my no joke days.
Yes,
that's when like
weekend is like time for working.
Yes, and I get to film like, it depends on where I go. If I go to a different region, I try to get at least 4 or 5 content that can serve me for 2 weeks because I post twice a week. But now I think I want to post more often. So yeah,
more
because
but then you edit yourself.
Yes,
God,
it's a lot. And during the week, so what I do is I try to edit during the weekdays, lunchtime, any free time I get during work time.
Wait, even at lunch, when you're out on your lunch, you're editing.
Yeah, sometimes.
How do they say? How do they say in Chi? Who pay with Juma?
You know one thing about YouTube, when you get to a certain stage and you decide to be lazy, then the money starts going down. You're
listen. Just because I'd stopped posting, I was usually posting 3 times a week. Then I stopped. I was doing too much enjoyment. Went to once a week. Then all of a sudden, views down, money down,
and the money goes down so drastic.
Hey,
like you can go from like 500 to like 100.
Yes.
That's bad.
And I'm just like, oh wow, why? But how are you gonna get it back up?
So it's difficult. So it's difficult to come up. So it's better to maintain the pace.
Has to.
Yeah.
It's not easy at all. But then when you're maintaining the pace, you always have to put out content that is still solid.
Relevant. Yes. Yeah. That's true.
Oh man.
So and my job is not too stressful.
Okay.
So that's how I get the chance to edit at work too.
Now you guys, you need to know that Stella, she does everything. She also does like modeling. You see her for doing MTN adverts, rice adverts.
Oh, now the gigs are not coming again.
Don't worry, from now they'll come.
Amen. Excited. This is my first time seeing a giraffe in real life, and so it's very exciting. Like, look at him. He's so tall. Like, they're so huge. Wow, God is good. So guys, I'm going to be trying their kebab.
How is it?
It's nice. Let me try it with the sauce.
Mutura. They are saying mutura.
I'm going to try mutura.
African sausage.
Take African sausage, mutura.
Yeah. And it's so good.
How is it?
This is a buffet.
How is it? You liking it?
It's called towel. We call it towel. But we usually put it in soup. Towel.
Yeah, I got it right.
Finally, we made it. Well, it wasn't that far of a drive actually from Accra, an hour and 5 minutes. We're about to see one of the 22 waterfalls in Ghana. Excited much? Hey guys, it's your girl Miss June. Of course, we are back again with yet another video. Now my top has all the different places in Ghana. Can you believe it? And obviously London from where I'm from. My favorite place, Tadi. Shout out UKGH, Carlos for the top. But I'm in the Eastern region now. I'm with a very special lady.
We are back again, Charlie.
Honestly, now I know there's a lot of you that feel like there isn't anybody that matched my energy, but I searched high and low and I found the lady. She goes by the name of Stella Shanelly.
I'm so happy to be on her platform, her
Listen.
YouTube channel. Guys, my friends are like, in fact, my subscribers are like, when are you meeting Miss Drew?
Well,
When-
listen.
And then I was like, it has to happen.
It has
and
to happen.
finally, it is happening.
It is happening. And so you guys know how much I love waterfalls, how much water and nature just makes me so happy. And so we've come to the Eastern region
Yes.
to find yet
Yes.
another. Can you hear it?
I hear it's the most beautiful.
The most beautiful waterfall in the whole Ghana. And
That's
we
what
are
it is.
here to show you. So don't go anywhere. So guys, one of the things that actually scare me, I mean, I'm hardly really scared of things in Ghana, other than bats at 37, but are these. Now they look so calm, but if you were to kick one of these, stop
Are you scared? This is just clay. It's just clay.
Please, I don't want to see them. They're very scary. Okay guys, so we have come to the waterfalls and you know that I'm terrible with names. Asempa. Hey, that's somebody's name. Asinema waterfalls. Now, it is beautiful, but let me reserve my comments, Stella.
Yeah.
So what are your thoughts on this? I mean, you've seen waterfalls. You've seen 6 waterfalls so far.
Yeah. I think in terms of the greenery, the scenery is so beautiful.
That is-
but it's not the best in Ghana.
It's
The
not.
best I think is Kintampo Waterfall. Yeah, what do you think?
Okay, the best, I haven't been to Kintampo yet.
Yeah.
So the best for me so far would be
The
Vivo.
waterfall,
Because
yeah.
that one is but
That one
even
is the second
Boti,
best. The second best for me.
look at that. So and I mean, we came all this way on our road trip. Before we eat, we gotta, you know, take a dip and take some beautiful photos.
Shower, you know.
like stones. It's so massaging.
It's just like you're being massaged, like with souls, like
But it actually feels so good. Like, I think all of you watching to try and find your way here. It's literally not far from Accra, in a breeze. I keep saying the name wrong. Aspinema. Hey, there must be a guy called Aspinema Waterfall. Wow!
So of course you already know the way to my heart is through food. Now this is my first time getting food from a proper local shop, but I only eat grandma's food. Why? Because grandma's food is the best. And I've heard so much about food from Ebri on the mountain. So the lovely Stella has come to introduce me.
Yes,
now what does that mean?
it means it's ready, it's been set, the table has been set.
Hey, then we are ready to eat. Listen, if it goes bad, it's all on Stella, so let's go. So let's see how it goes. As you can see, I'm doing the happy dance because I've had a great day. Stella, how's your day been?
It's been good, I see, I'm not even, oh Charlie.
Look at the good out of her teeth. Guys, listen, that was our wonderful experience. Went to Waterfall, we topped it off with eating and some great company. This is Stella Shanelly. Make sure you follow her on YouTube. She's one of the best
join the family.
travel YouTubers that we have in Ghana. So make sure you follow her, join the family.
Join the family, Stella Shanelly family. Come. I'm giving her a warm hug on your behalf.
Mwah! Guys, I'll see you same time, same place on another episode.
Moments brought to you by Fortune Rice and Fright Hall.